If your goal is to build a $1 million stock portfolio, then this video is definitely for you. Well, in 2026, I'm following the exact plan, the exact blueprint to reach my $1 million stock portfolio dream. Well, in today's video, I will share with you like my exact strategy, how much I'm investing, which particular stocks I'm picking for my portfolio, and what's the time span it may take for me to reach my $1 million stock portfolio dream. Well, I have been investing under stock market maybe almost 3.5 years, and now my current stock portfolio value is near around 230k, and this 3.5 years helped me to double my money. So I'll share with you my update, my allocations, where I have invested my money, and my future plan, and in 2026 how I will keep investing and which asset classes I'll focus on. So if you want to know the nitty-gritty details, please like and subscribe to my channel, because it would be a journey. I feel like reaching a $1 million stock portfolio is not a sprint, it's more of a marathon. So that's why we need to get connected and help each other to reach the milestone. So without further delay, let's start the video. Okay, at the very beginning of today's video, first I will share my current stock portfolio update to give a better visibility on my current portfolio. So I am using Wealthsimple for my investment, and here at the very top you can see my current stock portfolio value, which is $232,569. So here I just want to show you some cool stuff. So here at the very beginning, I started investing in May 18, 2022, and now it's 2026 January 4. So we can call it like 23, 24, 25, 3.5 years. That sounds all right. So in 3.5 years, my return is 72.77%. In terms of monitor value is $97,960. So that is great return. I am pretty sure that no bank can generate this sort of return. So that's the beauty of investment and compound growth. So that's my current stock portfolio, and just give a bit of visibility, I do have multiple subsection of my account. I'm in Canada, that's why I'm using TFSA, which is a tax-free savings account. I do have FHSA, first home savings account. I do have RRSP that I started last year. I do have non-registered personal account, and a little portion of my portfolio is allocated to crypto, specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this is a small update, a small version of outline of my stock portfolio. So now it comes the fun part, like which asset classes I invested and which helped me to generate this sort of massive return is like 72% return in 3.5 years, almost like I made 100k in return. So the first thing I have done, that is I have invested under ETF. So whenever I'm talking about ETF, I'm referring to basically two ETF under my portfolio. The first one is VFV. VFV stands for Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. So basically, it's the US top performing 500 companies I have invested. So it's like a basket with the top performing 500 stocks, individual stocks. So when you invest under this ETF, the money will be distributed among these stocks. So the cool part about VFV is, like, if you see the 5 years return, in 5 years it has returned almost 95%. It's like almost double your it has doubled your money. So if I invested like 100k 5 years ago under VFV, after 5 years you'd have like almost 200k. So because US economy is very strong, is growing at a very fast pace, and if you think about long-term time frame, you will always make money when you invest under US S&P 500. So here I do have almost like 50K of investment under VFB, because I believe in US stock market and it will gonna go up. And I'm a long-term investor. And to reach the 1 million milestone, you have to think like a long-term investor, because it takes a long time to accumulate this much of wealth. There is no shortcut in this process, so you have to invest frequently and at the regular basis. This is the only way you can accumulate this amount of wealth. That's the VFB. And the other one that I have invested under ETF, that is VDY. So VDY stands for a Canadian High Dividend Index ETF. So basically it's also a basket with high dividend Canadian stocks. Whenever we're talking about Canadian stocks that provides dividends, it's mainly the top banks of Canada. So I have invested almost like 30K under VDY. The good part about VDY is that in 5 years it has grown by 89%, which is massive. And beside that, it also provides a very nice dividend. The dividend amount here we can see, if I scroll down a little bit, the dividend is 3.52% dividend that we're getting from VDY. So here you can see, like in December, specifically here you can see I got almost under TFSA and non-registered account, I got $70 of dividends, which I reinvested to get the benefit of compound growth. So this is the ETF, and beside that, I have invested heavily on some tech stock. So there's a reason I have invested on the tech stock, because I'm from IT background. So I feel like I know better IT stocks than any other sectors. That's why I have invested under under tech stocks. Under my watch list, you can see some very cool company tech names like Nvidia. I have invested under Google. I've invested in Microsoft, Amazon. So it's done great so far. If I show you my Nvidia return so far, so Nvidia, I am holding 100 shares of Nvidia, and I have Nvidia under my TFSA, under my RSP, and also under my FHSA. And the cool part is, like, if I show you the return of my Nvidia shares under TFSA, it has generated 1,281% of return. So you can understand like how much money you can make from your investment if you can choose the perfect stocks. So the behind the story is, like, during COVID, the Nvidia shares was way down. It was like $150 per share. So at the time I just started investing, I bought 5 shares of Nvidia, and then the AI boom happened, and my $150 share went all the way up to more than $1,000 per share. And then there was a 1-to-10 split, so I got 50 shares in exchange of my 5 shares, because the price was too high. And from there you can see my 50 shares come from there. And then when I saw the massive growth and the AI revolution, I added 50 more shares too. So right now I do have 100 shares, and I believe like AI gonna make a lot of money for me, because I really believe the AI revolution. So that's one. Beside that, I have invested under Google, Amazon. So under Google, I do have almost like $10 to $12,000 of stocks. In 5 years, it has grown by 257%. Can you imagine that? Like, if I invested 10K 5 years ago under Google, after 5 years, you would have like almost 250% return from it. That's great. It's like almost 35K from your initial 10K investment. That is great. So I have created many videos where I have explained each of my stock pickings, like why I'm holding those stocks. If you're interested, you can show my previous videos where you'll have a better insights. But today's goal is like my plan for 2026. I'm gonna reach my $1 billion stock portfolio, the plan that I'm following. Now, at this point of this video, I'm going to talk about the timeline, like with my current progress rate, how long it would take for me to reach my $1 million dream investment portfolio. Well, now I am like 32 years old, so my goal is to hit the $1 million by 45 years old. So it's like I do have 45 minus 32 is like 13 years, and right now my stock portfolio is $232,000, and if I invest, I did some rough calculation, like how much I am investing, what's my investment capacity for 2026, and how things gonna work for me to reach my goal to have $1 billion by 45. Well, I figured out like at the current rate, like I can invest like almost 30K per year. Just a rough estimation, can be more. It's a ballpark number, 30K per year, and also a 10% growth rate. I can easily assume 10% growth is rate is achievable, because in 3.5 years, 3.5 years, I have a return of like almost 72%. So in terms, it's gonna be like more than 15%. I got the return is like no, not almost like 20% I got in 3 years. So 10% is very conservative. If I can achieve 10% and of return, and if I invest like 30K with my the promotion, the investment gonna increase. So I'm just thinking about a rough estimation, which is 30K investment, 30K that contribution by every year. So by 45, after the calculation, I found like I would have easily, I'll be able to reach my $1 million goal. It will be more than that, maybe 1.4 or 1.5 million dollars. So here, the thing we need to consider is like, here it doesn't matter how much contribution we're making, it's that time does the wonderful thing. So it is always better to start early. So let me share with you my story. So when I started investing 3.5 years ago, I had zero idea about investment, how I'm gonna invest, how I'm gonna choose my stocks, and what would be my strategy for diversification. Well, I started. Once I started, then I became serious about it, and I started to do some more research. I started to see more YouTube videos, and I wanted to learn more, because it's the hard-earned money that I'm investing. So my emotion is also attached to it. So my goal in 2026 is to keep investing, and I have set an amount, like a minimum amount that I'm gonna contribute, that is 30K per year, and with 10% return, which is very likely achievable, because I invest in high tech stocks, and I do have a better understanding, I feel like, after 3.5 years, like how to invest my money. It's pretty doable for me, I think, to reach the 1 million goal. So the thing is, like, when we are thinking about 1 million, we feel like it's a big number, but if you start early and you keep investing, it is easily achievable. So my suggestion to you is that please open your account, brokerage account, you start investing, and on internet there are like tons of resources that you can go through and educate yourself, and your future version gonna be really thankful to you, because you are making the right things, you are making the right decisions right now, which will help to become financially free. And the thing is, like, we all need to be at a state where we don't have to think about money anymore, because in this world the most important resource is time, and if we are trading our time for money, this is a very bad kind of situation. So for that, we need to accumulate money so that we can enjoy our time with our family and the things that we like to do. Thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope now you have a better understanding, like how you can reach your $1 million stock portfolio dream. The most important thing is to start. So once you start, then you will find your way. That's definitely true, because I did the same way. When I started investing, I have almost zero knowledge on investment, like how I have to choose my stock portfolio, how I can do a good diversification of my portfolio for risk management, which stocks are good for me, what's the path, the strategy I need to follow to reach my $1 million dream. But after 3.5 years, I can now see my strategy more clearly. I can see, like, yeah, it's doable because things are working. I already made profit, and which gave me the confidence. So thank you again, guys, for watching my videos. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you can see my upcoming videos, and we can all help each other to reach our financial goals. Well, that's all for today. Have a great and wonderful day.